Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your account type in eBay. It's pretty simple. First you want to come to ebay.com and log in into your account. The login button is going to be over here. Once you log in into your account, it'll show you your account's username at the left corner. Click on your account's username. Once you're in the account setting page of eBay, you want to click on over here where it says personal information. From inside personal information, it's going to ask you to enter the password of your account first to verify your identity. After you enter the password and log in into your eBay account, it'll take you further in. Over here where it says account type, mine says individual. Right beside over here, you will see an edit button. Right now, my account cannot be changed. But if you guys have an option to change your account, you will see an edit button over here. Click on edit and from there you can change your account type in eBay. That's how simple it is to change your account type in eBay. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future eBay related videos like this. If you guys have any question, ask me in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a nice day.